What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to 3BR Off-Road. Once again, bad at YouTube, forgot the camera at the house. It's the last day, it's Wednesday, we leave tomorrow for Hogwaller. We were up here last night, AJ was up here, helped me. He got this axle rebuilt for me, so that's a brand new boot. Axle's in, front's all together, rear's all together, and yeah, we put the bed back on. Funny story about the bed. I wish I was filming yesterday, but there really wasn't a whole lot going on, so it wouldn't have been worth it. We worked a lot more on the other Ranger. We worked a little bit on this one, but we were just waiting on parts, which thankfully all the stuff came in. Surprisingly, everything came in. But funny story about the bed. Put it on, and when I had made the flatbed, which is over there in the corner, when I had made the flatbed, I had cut this piece off because the flatbed was shorter. We go to put the bed on last night and really didn't have the mounting for the rear of it, so it was a little flimsy. We were going to drill 2 new holes in the existing part here, so actually there's holes already drilled there for where the flatbed attached to, and do it that way. But AJ, being the pack rat that he is, and I always give him crap for being a hoarder, I hear him rummaging through our metal pot right there, and I hear him go, oh, and I'm like, what is he so excited about? And he pulls it out, and he has this piece in his hand. I'm actually up front trying to weld on his roll cage, trying to get the pieces that the previous owner did not weld up finish. And he's like, nope, you need to stop that. Come back here, weld this up right now. Maybe stop what I was doing to go back here and weld that up, which I just thought was hilarious. I kind of wish I was filming when he was getting all excited about finding that piece. I'm like, oh yeah, you being a pack rat finally pays off. Decided to put the bed back on it. I think it looks better with the cage shop. You'll see a little bit later when we pull it out. It just, the proportions look a lot nicer, and I'm not gonna lie, everyone's going with flatbeds now, and you know, I had one before, it was a cool thing, now it's a cool thing. I don't want to say I was setting trends, but I think it did, and I'm going away from it now, so I'm going back to a bed. The real reason I got away from bed with a flatbed is because everyone was throwing their empties in my bed, and I got tired of it. Probably gonna start happening again. It is what it is. At least they're getting thrown in the bed, not in the trails. That's a good thing, I guess, so I'll take that. Front link bars for my bike are done. Tie rods for both bikes are done. My dad's lathe's messing up a little bit, so I might not get rear ones, and sadly AJ's bike's probably not going to get any at all for the time being. The little switch inside the box with just behind the capacitors that actually clicks it on and off is burned up, so waiting on a new one of those. Probably not going to get that stuff done in time. I do have to say, huge shout out to Super ATV. They came in clutch this week, 100%. Didn't even have to call them. Ordered them online. Picked their, you know, one day overnight shipping. Had it the next day. I ordered them at night, so it took, you know, all day Tuesday. It's Wednesday. I got them. They're perfect. They fit. Absolutely saved my life. Brake pads are in, belts in, and I'm surprised these showed up. The brackets for the rear shock mounts to actually put the shocks in the right location, so hopefully it doesn't sag. So, needless to say, have a lot of work ahead of me. Like I mentioned in the previous video, just trying to show you guys kind of what we go through usually on, you know, typical before a big event when things are broke or messed up and trying to get them fixed, and we procrastinate. You know, I say procrastinate, really just putting it off. That's another way of saying procrastinate, you idiot. No, a lot of times we just get busy with customer work, but that's enough of me running my mouth. Let's get to work on this thing and get it loaded up so I can get a decent night's sleep this week. I'm dragging ass this week. It's been 3 a.m. every morning. Just gotta go home and actually work my other job, and it's been fun this week. So I'm tired. That on top of my kid going through a sleep regression and waking up 2 or 3 times in the middle of the night and screaming for mommy or daddy. So got that going on too. So we're gonna make it through, and hopefully by the time we make it to Hogwaller, I'm not like dead, ready to just crash in the camper. But we'll see. Let's get to work. Portals are all bolted up. Everything's done. Tie rods are on.
It happens.
You're smoke testing yours now. Yeah, we smoke tested it, and I actually got to pull the primary clutch off because there's a bolt behind here that's just a touch loose, just a touch.
Hopefully, I'm waiting on this one to start smoking out of the vent.
But yeah, we're in pretty good shape, I think. Unless I get in my bike, put it in gear, and everything falls apart. It's the only thing that can really stop me now, which I said it, so it's probably going to come true. But we'll see. Let's get this belt box tightened up and hopefully sealed up. So it's pretty much all together. We get in it to go move it. Of course we have an issue. Brake cable's locked up. Or brake cable, Jesus. That's how tired I am. Shifter cable's locked up. And will not let it shift. Not the transmission. Transmission shifts fine. The shifter cable will just not let loose. Alright, AJ got it all freed up. He's working on putting the cable back. And we'll go for test ride. See what else is messed up and that we have to fix last minute. God, I hope it's nothing else. I'm really over this last minute bullshit. Gonna try our best next time to not do this dirty. Ah, there we go.
Do you even lift, bro?
Do I even lift, bro?
Do you even lift, bro?
I was sitting here and I was like, I forgot it was on the lift. And off the ground, I'm like, the bed's over my fucking head!
Hurry up and put it in neutral.
Alright, well, both bikes are done and on the trailer. Yes, very much so, barely. There's plenty of room-wise. AJ's bike's fine. My bike, as we were pulling on the trailer, the shifter cable broke. I was pulling up, was a little crooked, went to go put it in reverse, and the shifter cable snapped on me. Yeah, not good, not good. Could be worse. We can do without the shifter cable, I guess. We're gonna try and get one, though. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to change. We got two, we'll change it.
That was a little creepy.
That scared the hell out of me.
Everything's good on this except for that tire.
Yeah, it needs to be.
Needs to be
It's a little crooked, but it'll be fine, right? But yeah, well, I mean, we'll be there at this point. I mean, they're on the trailer. Mine's gonna be a bitch to drive. What the hell are you doing? What? All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys see us at a Hogwaller, stop by, say hi, do something cool. Like I mean, you finish a beer like that and slam it on the ground.
We're not doing anything cool this weekend.
No, we're gonna take it easy. I mean, these bikes are really, really We did one test ride down the road. That was it.
They're green.
We'll see you guys at Hogwaller. Till next time, guys. Peace.